Welcome! In this quick visual proof, we show why any 6-digit repeated number, like 456456, divided by 7, then 11, then 13, gives back the original 3 digits. We will illustrate each step with the example 456456. Step 1. Recognize the form ABC, ABC. For our example, write 456456 as 6000 plus 456. Now factor out the common block 456. That becomes 456 times the quantity 1000 plus 1. And 1000 plus 1 is exactly 1001. So 456456 equals 456 times 1001. Step 2. Factor 1001. 1001 equals 7 times 11 times 13. We can check quickly. 7 times 11 is 77. And 77 times 13 is 77 times 10 plus 77 times 3, which is 770 plus 231 equals 1001. Step 3. Divide step by step. We begin with 456456 equals 456 times 7 times 11 times 13. First divide by 7. Now divide by 11. Finally divide by 13. We arrive at 456, the original 3-digit block. Step 4. The general rule and the quick visual cue. Take any 3 digits, ABC, and repeat them to make ABC ABC. Split it as ABC 0, 0, 0 plus ABC. Factor out ABC to get ABC times the quantity 1000 plus 1. That is ABC times 1001, which equals ABC times 7 times 11 times 13. Therefore, ABC divided by 7, then 11, then 13, always returns ABC. The cue is split, factor, recognize 1001. Summary. Repeated block means ABC times 1001. 1001 equals 7 times 11 times 13. Divide in that order, and you are back to ABC done. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.